Recycling participant in UKM is still inconsistent despite increasing awareness. Users still face barriers such as lack of transportation to recycling center, unclear procedure, and inconvenience in recycling activity. Significant of the problem. This result in low recycling rate and inefficient waste management, where recyclable material are not properly collected or tracked, reducing sustainable behavior. Purpose solution: RecycleMate is a mobile app that simplifies recycling by allow user to request pickup, tracking recycling activity, view earning, and locate nearby recycling center. It also supports QR scanning and PNG payment. For my apps, I have 13 screens in total. Start with a login screen, and then I have a 5 main screen in the bottom navigation, which are home, scan, pickup status, transaction, and also profile. Then I have a 7 additional features screens such as recycle center, eco calculator, connect PNG, feedback, report, event, and bot request. To handle navigation between all these screens, I use Jetpack Compose navigation with nav host and nav controller. For example, I define a nav controller and set the start destination to the login screen. Then each screen is connected using roles like login, home, and profile. When the user log in, the app navigates to the home screen using navcontroller.navigate home. For logout, I use pop-up 2 to clear the back stack so user cannot return to the previous screen. I also implement a conditional bottom navigation bar where it will only appear on selected screen like home and profile and will be hidden on screens such as login or features page. For my apps demo, I also use view model to manage shared data across screen. First, during login, the user enter their name, metric number, and select their role. Once they log in, this data is stored using user view model. After login, the user's name is automatically displayed on the home screen, and the same data also appears in the profile screen, including their name and metric number. Next, the metric number is also reused in the request pickup form, so it is automatically shown when the user submit a pickup request. The data is stored using pickup view model. After confirmation, it will be immediately appears in the pickup status screen. For bot request, when the user submit a request, the data is stored in bot request view model and it will be displayed later in the profile screen, so the user can view their submit bot request. View model implementation. This app uses view model to manage UI related data in a lifecycle aware way. First is a pickup view model. The view model actually handles recycling pickup requests. Mutable state list off ensure the UI update automatically when new data is added. The add pickup function store a new pickup request, which are then displayed in the pickup status screen in a real time. Second is a user view model. This view model actually manages user data after login. It stores user detail like name, metric number, and also role. Once login is successful, the data is shared across screens such as home, profile, and request pickup form. 3 is a view model usage in main activity. View model actually ensure that the same instance is shared across all composable. This allows consistent data flow between screens such as first, pickup data from home to pickup status screen, second, user data from login to home and profile, and bot request data to profile screen.